quadratic equation. Session 1. Let's start. So here in this session we'll see what the quadratic equations are. See the equation with the degree 2. The equation with the degree 2 is called the quadratic equation. Now what is the degree that we already learned in this chapter 2? Right, what is the degree that we know? So if I write down that if I write down that x square plus 9 is equals to 0. So in this equation the highest power is 2, and when the highest power is 2 it is called the quadratic equation. But if I write down that x cube plus x square plus 9, in this case the highest power is 3. In this case it cannot be a quadratic equation. Right, so that is the what this statement means. Equation with the degree 2 is called the quadratic equation. Right, a standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, where a does not equals to 0. Why? Because if a is equals to 0, then we'll see the 0x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So in this case this term is eliminated. So we have only left with the bx plus c is equals to 0. So bx plus c is the linear equation. But we want the quadratic, so that is the must condition that a must not equals to 0. If b is equals to 0, it is fine. If c is equals to 0, it is fine. But a must not equals to 0. Okay. So now let's start exercise 4.1, and in this we have to check the same, that whether the following are the quadratic equations or not. So the first one, right, very simple. You just need to put the formula, and that is a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square that we already see in the standard 9 chapter 2, right? So this is nothing but the a square plus 2ab plus b square. But here instead of a we have x, instead of b we have 1. So instead of a I have to put the x, so x square plus 2 into instead of a we have to put the x, instead of b we have to put the 1 plus 1 square. So this is going to be the x square plus 2x plus 1, right? And then first with the first, that is going to be the 2x minus 2 3s are 6. And now let's see the solution. See, this is the x square plus 2x plus 1, and this is 2x minus 6. If this 2x comes onto this side, it becomes minus. So plus 2x minus 2x becomes 0. So it is x square plus 1 plus 6 is equals to 0. So x square plus 7 is equals to 0. So highest power is 2. So we can say that yes, it is the quadratic equation. Right? See here, x plus 2x minus 2x 0. Now plus 6 plus 1 is going to be the 7. Okay. So this is highest power of this equation is 2. So we can say yes, it is the quadratic equation. Hence the equation is a quadratic equation. Now the second one, the same thing we have to repeat over here, and that is x square minus 2x. This is 3 2s are minus 6, minus into minus plus 2x. Now this plus 2x comes to the another side, it becomes minus. So x square minus 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 4x, and this minus becomes plus 6 is equals to 0. So yes, it is also the quadratic equation, right? So see, it is just a simplification thing, right? Simplify करो और आंसर लेके आओ. So x square minus 2x is equals to minus 6. अब minus 6 इस साइड आएगा तो plus, और plus 2 इस साइड आएगा तो minus. तो see, this is x square minus 2x plus 6 is equals to 0. So we can say that x square minus 4x plus 6. So hence it is the quadratic equation. Why? Because it has the highest power 2. That is why the degree is 2. That is why we can say it is a quadratic equation. Okay, now see, in this, it's very simple. We have to just open up this bracket. So this is x into x square minus 2 plus 1 minus x, and then 2 1s are minus 2 is equals to same here. This is x square minus 1 plus, so plus 2x minus 3. Right? See, x square and x square cut that out. If x square and x square is cut that out, we can simply say it is not an quadratic equation. So let's see. Solution is x minus 2. So here x square minus x minus 2, x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, so 2x plus x minus 3 plus 2. So hence 3x minus 1. Hence it is not the quadratic equation. It is not the quadratic equation because it is a linear equation. Why linear equation? Because it has a highest power, or you can say the degree 1. Right, same here. You can just open up the bracket, and that is x into 2, 2x square, x into 1, x, 3 2s are minus 6, 3 1s are minus 3, x into x, x square, x into 5, 5x. अभी x square इस साइड आएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा, राइट. सो 2x square minus 5x minus 3 minus x square minus 5x. Now 2x square minus x square is becomes x square. So highest power is becomes 2. So we can say yes, it is a quadratic equation. So x square minus 10x minus 3. So hence it is a given equation is the quadratic equation. Right? See the next sum, and that is 2x into x, 2x into 3, 1 into x, 1 into. So in the same manner we have to proceed. Right? So this is the steps. Right, so in the end you can get the x square minus 11x plus 8 is equals to 0. So the highest power is 2, so the degree becomes 2. If the degree is 2, we can say yes, the given equation is the quadratic equation. So hence the given equation is the quadratic equation. So these are the so this remaining sums you need to do it by yourself because it is just a simplification thing, right? If you can do it, you can get the answer. Here you have to apply the formula, that is a minus b whole cube, and that is a cube minus 3a minus b cube, minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Right, so you can apply this formula over here, and you will get the answer. So now let's represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. The area of rectangular plot is given. Here we just have to write down the quadratic equation, that's it. Right, here it is given that you need to find out, but the question is just we need to write down the quadratic equations. Okay, so see the area of the rectangular plot is, so rectangle plot है. प्लॉट कैसा दिया है भाई, रेक्टेंगल दिया है. सो रेक्टेंगल क्या होता है, एक तो लेंथ होती है, एक तो ब्रेड्थ होती है. सो पूरा का पूरा एरिया दिया है, दैट इज L इंटू बी, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी द 528 मीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ द लेंथ ऑफ द प्लॉट इज, नाउ लेंथ इज, इसका मतलब इज इक्वल्स टू, लेंथ का मतलब L, वन मोर देन मीन्स व्हाट, प्लस 1. One more than means what, plus 1. Twice that of its breadth. Twice का मतलब 2 times. अब breadth का मतलब तो भाई breadth b. So L is going to be the 2b plus 1. Right? So L की जगह पर क्या लिख सकते हैं हम, 2b plus 1. So 2b plus 1 into b is equals to 528. Now 2b into b, that is 2b square, and b into 1 b, और 528 ये साइड आएगा तो minus 528. So this is our quadratic equation. Right? So very simple. Once again I am letting understood you. Right? Say we have the rectangle has a length and breadth. So we have given the area, that is L into b, that is going to be the 528. Here it is given that length is का मतलब is equals to, one more का मतलब plus 1, twice that of the breadth. Twice मतलब 2 times, मतलब 2 multiply by b. So the value of L is nothing but the 2b plus 1. So instead of L, what we can write down, that is 2b plus 1 in bracket b is equals to 528. Now 2b into b, that is 2b square, b into 1 plus b. 528 ये साइड आएगा तो minus 528 is equals to 0. This is our quadratic equation. So now the solution, let the breadth of the plot be x, and hence the length becomes 2x plus 1. Right? So here what we do here is, we'll take length is equals to x, So breadth becomes 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 into x is going to be the 528. So right, so it is going to be the 528. So now we can say, see, what I understood you is in terms of b square and l, right? If you can write down in that way, that is truly right, no one can give you the wrong. But if you can do in this way, that is also right. In the maths you can do one sum in 1 2 3 and many more ways, but the thing is it must be a proper correct method, right? So here I just changed the name, instead of L and B I chose here X. Okay, so don't confuse, let the length be X. So length is X, is going to be the, and this is the breadth, right? So here I consider breadth as an X, sorry. Okay, so here the breadth is X, so this is going to be the X, and this length, so length is going to be the one more than the twice of the breadth. So breadth की जगह पर हमने x लिख दिया, तो 2x plus 1. So this is the 2x square plus x minus 25 28 is equals to 0. Hence this is our quadratic equation. This is our quadratic equation. अगर इसको सॉल्व करना था तो सॉल्व भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन वो आगे आएगा अलग अलग मेथड से, तब हम देखेंगे. Now the product of two consecutive positive integer, here it is very much important that positive integer and consecutive and positive. Now consecutive का मतलब कि एक के बाद तुरंत आता हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं यहाँ पर 5 लिखूँ तो 5 के तुरंत बाद क्या आएगा 6. तो वो कैसे आया, तो मैंने 5 में क्या ऐड किया 1. सिंपल. अगर मैं यहाँ पे 7 के बाद क्या आएगा तो भाई 8, तो मैंने 7 में क्या ऐड किया भाई 1 ऐड किया, तो क्या आ गया हमारा 8 आ गया. लेकिन हमको तो यहाँ पे नंबर्स पता ही नहीं है, तो लेट द नंबर बी x and next number be x plus 1, right? So this is our two consecutive positive integers. अगर इसको सॉल्यूशन करने के बाद एक आंसर फॉर एग्जांपल 5 और एक एग्जांपल -8 आए, तो -8 को क्या कर देंगे, मना कर देंगे. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज अ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. वो आगे आएगा तब हम देखेंगे, तो खाली समझने के लिए है, राइट? चलो देखते हैं आगे. सो द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू कॉन्जिक्यूटिव इंटीजर, तो हमको तो कॉन्जिक्यूटिव इंटीजर्स तो मिल गए. सो x and x plus 1, उन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट मतलब मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज गोइंग टू बी द 306 x into x x square x into 1 x. 306 ये साइड आएगा तो -306 is equals to 0 is our quadratic equation. So let the consecutive integers are x and x plus 1. Then we can say that it is given that the product is 306. So we can say x plus 1 is equals to 306, x square plus x minus 306 is equals to 0. This is our quadratic equation, right? Okay, now let's move ahead with the another question, and that is Rohan's mother is 26 year older than him. तो हमको रोहन की मम्मी उससे 26 साल बड़ी है, तो रोहन की एज हमको पता नहीं है, तो लेट द रोहन्स एज बी x. तो उसकी मम्मी की एज कितनी होगी, तो उससे 26 साल बड़ी है, तो 26 प्लस x. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर एजेस 3 years फ्रॉम नाउ. तो ये तो उन लोग की प्रेजेंट एज है, क्या है प्रेजेंट में जो एज है वो. लेकिन यहाँ पर दिया है कि 3 साल के बाद. तो अभी आप 5 साल के हो, 3 साल के बाद कितने हो जाएगा, तो +3. अभी आप 15 साल के हो, 3 साल के बाद कितने हो जाएगा, तो +3. सिमिलरली प्रेजेंट एज है x है, तो 3 साल के बाद इसकी एज क्या हो जाएगा, +3. सिमिलरली इसकी भी प्लस एज क्या हो जाएगी, 3 हो जाएगी. तो इसकी एज तो हो गई x + 3, लेकिन इसकी एज क्या हो जाएगी, दैट इज 29 + x. तो 29 + x into x + 3 is going to be the 360. So Rohan's age be x, mother's age be x plus 26, and 3 years hence का मतलब बाद में, तो 3 years hence Rohan's age is x plus 3, right? जैसे मैंने बताया, अगर प्रेजेंट एज है 20 years, तो 3 साल के बाद वो 23 का हो जाएगा. कैसे, तो भाई 20 में हमने क्या ऐड किया 3. सिमिलरली प्रेजेंट एज x, 3 साल के बाद उसकी x plus 3 हो जाएगी. मदर्स एज बी, तो उसमें भी क्या, ये जो प्रेजेंट एज है उसमें मैंने क्या ऐड कर दिया 3, सो x plus 29. अब द कंडीशन क्या दी है कि इट इज गिवन दैट द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर एजेस आफ्टर 3 year is 360, राइट? हैंस वी कैन से इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लीकेशन क्या हो जाएगा 360. सो आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस वी विल गेट दैट x into x square, here it is x square, sorry, here just make this correction, right? And then 3 plus 29 is 32, and 29 3s are 20 is 87, and 360 comes onto this side, it becomes minus. So here we can say here just x square and here also x square. So this answer is nothing but the x square plus 32x and minus 273 is equals to 0. So this is our quadratic equation for the given condition, right? Now this is the sum for the train. See, in this train वाले sums में क्या रहेगा, speed is equals to distance upon time. So therefore time is equals to distance upon speed and distance is equals to speed into time. तो ये तीन फॉर्मूलाज है जो इसके ऊपर से दोनों फॉर्मूलाज हमको मिल सकते हैं. तो दोनों फॉर्मूलाज को, तीनों फॉर्मूलाज को आपको दिमाग में रखना है क्योंकि काफ़ी सारी जगह पर इसकी ज़रूरत पड़ने वाली है. सो यहाँ पर क्या दिया है, a train travels a distance 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, then it would have taken 3 more hours. For the same distance, we need to find out the speed of the train. So here what is given is train distance. Total distance कितना है कि भाई d1 plus d2 is equals to 480. Okay. अब initial, sorry, no, okay. The total distance is given and that is 480. Right, अब यहाँ पर क्या दिया, if the speed is 8 kilometers per hour less. देखो फॉर एग्जाम्पल पहले हमको 5 घंटे का टाइम लग रहा था, लेकिन अब स्पीड कम हो गई है. तो स्पीड कम हो गई तो टाइम क्या हो जाएगा, ज़्यादा. अब कितना ज़्यादा हो रहा है भाई, 3 घंटे ज़्यादा लग रहा है. तो इसमें 3 मुझे ऐड करना पड़ेगा, तो इसका टाइम कितना लगेगा, राइट. सो दिस इज फॉर एग्जाम्पल T2, दिस इज फॉर एग्जाम्पल T1 इज इक्वल्स टू T. सो ये फॉर्मूला से हम चलेंगे, दैट इज T2 माइनस T1 इज इक्वल्स टू T. वापस एक बार समझते हैं. देखो स्पीड में जा रहा है तो 5 घंटा, स्पीड में जा रहा है तो कितना घंटा लग रहा है, 5 घंटा. लेकिन अगर स्पीड स्लो हो गई तो टाइम कितना लगेगा, ज़्यादा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 8 घंटे लग रहे हैं. तो इन दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना है भाई, 3. तो ये इनिशियल टाइम है T1, ये सेकेंडरी टाइम है T2. इन दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना आ रहा है, 3 आवर्स, जो हमको ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ कि 3 घंटे ज़्यादा लग रहे हैं, राइट. 5 में 3 ऐड करोगे तो कितना आएगा, 8. 3 घंटे ज़्यादा. तो इनिशियली 5 लग रहे हैं तो उसके बाद कितना लगेगा, 8 लगेगा. तो सिमिलरली T1 माइनस T2 माइनस T1 इज गोइंग टू बी द 3. लेकिन हमको पता है भाई स्पीड इज इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम एंड टाइम इज इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. तो T2 माइनस T1 इज इक्वल्स टू 3. तो T2 के लिए क्या लिखेंगे भाई, स्पीड इज इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम, टाइम इज इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड. तो यहाँ पर डिस्टेंस तो सेम ही है, लेकिन स्पीड S1 डिस्टेंस सेम ही है, स्पीड S2 इज इक्वल्स टू 3, right. So we have that d upon S1, sorry S2 minus d upon S1 is equals to 3. तो डिस्टेंस कितना दिया है हम लोगों को, 480 अपॉन फॉर एग्जाम्पल इनिशियल स्पीड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इनिशियल स्पीड हमारी x किलोमीटर्स पर आवर है. अब क्या कर दिया, उसमें 8 घंटा पर आवर कम कर दिया है, तो x माइनस 8. So that is going to be the 3. अब इसको शॉर्ट आउट करेंगे तो हमको हमारा आंसर मिल जाएगा. So let's see that the train or the speed of the train is x kilometers per hour. Time taken for the 480 kilometer is 480 upon x hours. In the second condition, the speed of the train is decreased by 8, so it is x minus 8. So time would taken is 3 hours more. So therefore, the time taken for the second is 480 by x plus 3, right. So that is time taken, right. आगे देखे थे हैं, the speed into time is equals to distance. So it is going to be the x minus 8 into 40 upon x plus 3 is equals to 480. If you can proceed in this way, that is also fine. और मैंने जैसे सिखाया था वैसे अगर आप proceed करेंगे, that is 480 divided by x minus 8 minus 480 divided by x is equals to 3. So in both the way the answer will be the same, right. In both the way the answer will be the same. यहाँ पर क्या दिया है, दोनों का टाइम ले लिया है. So initial टाइम कितना था, so the time taken is 480 by x. उसके बाद टाइम कितना हो गया, 480 by x plus 3 टाइम हो गया, right. So the condition over here, the speed is x minus 8. This is the speed. तो स्पीड इंटू टाइम इज इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस. तो स्पीड हमारी क्या है भाई, x माइनस 8 है. टाइम हमारा क्या है, 480 अपॉन एक्स प्लस 3 है. एंड डिस्टेंस क्या है हमारा, 480 है. सो इन बोथ द वे यू कैन गेट द आंसर, राइट. सो वट एवर द मेथड यू आर comfortable with, just follow that method. Whether I understood you, whether I will teach you initially where this stuff are not here, right, where this stuff is not here, where at that time I will taught you, or you can, if comfortable with this also will be correct, right. So see here the solution. Simply you will just do the solution, you will get this answer, right. It is just a simplification thing, and this is our quadratic equation, राइट. सो इसमें लास्ट में क्या किया है हम लोगों ने कि भाई सब में से 3 को कॉमन निकाल दो, सब में से 3 को क्या निकाल दो, कॉमन निकाल दो, तो हमारे पास ये आंसर आ जाएगा, राइट. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. वी विल मीट इन टू द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. टिल देन स्टडी एंड वर्क हार्ड. बाय बाय. थैंक्स वेरी मच.